Hey you guys, I'm so excited to hop on and highlight these YRZ magnet tiles. My kiddos are obsessed with building with magnet tiles. They make the coolest little creations, and I love giving them things that help them use their brain, their hands, and just build and use their creativity, which I absolutely love. So this is this is a big pack. It's 106 pieces of magnet tiles, and it also comes with this little car. So like I said, absolutely love these, and I love magnet tiles because you can combine most of them, and then you can have a larger set if you just combine the ones that you previously have. But my kiddos are making like whole villages with these, and I absolutely love seeing the different things that they can make. I'm going to show you really quick. Here is the car that it comes with. So it comes with this fun little magnet car. You can hook onto it so you can build on top of the car because the edges of the car are magnets. So really fun little addition. Instead of just having the tiles, it also has the car. And then I'll open up the box so that you guys can see everything that is included in here. So there are a ton, and there's lots of different sizes, shapes, all different things so that they can build to their little heart's content, which I absolutely love. And then it comes with just kind of this little guide. So it shows different things that they can try and make, which my kids also think is so fun. They love to have like the instructions in front of them and then try and make that exact same thing. They're showing things that you can make in 2D or 3D as well as 3D, and just fun options. So like I said, if you've got kiddos, I absolutely love this form of entertainment. I feel like it's healthy for their brain. It's using their imagination and their creativity, and it's allowing them to build and create things, which checks all of the boxes for me. So let's hop on. I'm going to set my 4-year-old loose with these, and let's see what she creates. All right, you guys, here's the newest invention my kiddos made on the little driving car. There are so many adventures yet to be made, but come check this out.